I would say if you're looking to be able to accurately take the data from your shipments to make better business decisions, this is a platform that would help you do that in any level of business.
You cannot scale unless you use a TMS system. And we have looked at all of them, and MyCarrier has been far and away the best provider with the best customer service, the most intuitive and thoughtfully done platform, and the easiest one to use to look at your metrics and to do your planning.
We went from just shipping, 1 to 2 parcels, a week to a month to literally 5 to 7 almost every single day. Like our business went from just being a single state servicing only Florida to now I send a lot of equipment to Oregon and across the entire nation. And it's really cool to be a part of that. And
you can't scale, you can't hire, you can't ship more without having a system like that. And we have had nothing but great experiences with MyCarrier.